Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well. Only two things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity, and I'm not sure about the former. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. Weakness of attitude becomes weakness of character. Coincidence is God's way of remaining anonymous. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. You can't blame gravity for falling in love. It's not that I'm so smart, it's just that I stay with problems longer. No problem can be solved from the same level of consciousness that created it. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. Reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. We can't solve problems by using the same kind of thinking we used when we created them. Peace cannot be kept by force, it can only be achieved by understanding. I never think of the future, it comes soon enough. The only source of knowledge is experience. I know not with what weapons World War III will be fought, but World War IV will be fought with sticks and stones. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. Nationalism is an infantile disease. It is the measles of mankind. The only reason for time is so that everything doesn't happen at once. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. Anyone who doesn't take truth seriously in small matters cannot be trusted in large ones either. It is the supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge. The world is a dangerous place to live, not because of the people who are evil, but because of the people who don't do anything about it. Great spirits have always encountered violent opposition from mediocre minds. I live in that solitude which is painful in youth, but delicious in the years of maturity.